Okay, let us see the question based on the force. Question says that two blocks of different metals but identical in shape and size are acted upon by equal forces such that the acceleration of the second block is 3 times more than that of the first block. What is the ratio of the mass of the second block with respect to the first block? So masses we have to compare, accelerations are given, forces are equal. So let us try to solve these questions. How to solve a numerical? Please see this. So in this numerical, it is given that force on the one block is also F and on the second block is also F. There are two blocks. So on both the blocks forces are same. Acceleration of the second block is 3 times. So let us say in the first block acceleration is A, then on the second block acceleration will be 3 times more than that of the first block. What is the ratio of mass of the second block? Mass of the second block ratio they have asked. So m2 is to m1, mass of the second block with respect to first. So 2 with respect to first. This ratio we have to find out. So simple. So for the first block, if we write down F is equals to m1a, and for the second block if we write down F is equals to m2, acceleration is 3a, right? Now both the forces are equal, so if we equate them, m1a is equals to m2 3a, this is 3. We have applied F is equals to ma, both the sides in the sense this is for the block 1, this is for the block 2. So for the block 1 if you apply F is equals to m1, F is equals to ma. For the block 1 force is F, mass is m1 and acceleration is a. And for the second block mass is m2, right, acceleration is 3a. Now this one if we solve further and try to arrange in the form of m2 by m1, so it will be a gets cancelled, m1 is 2, m2 we get 1 is to 3. This is the answer. Let us try to see the second question. Force of 500 newtons acts on a body of the mass x gram and produce an acceleration of 200 meters per second square. The same force acting on another body of mass y gives an acceleration of this. If x and y are tied together and the same force as above act on them, what acceleration is produced in the combination? This is an excellent question to understand the use of F is equals to ma. So again here in this question there are two bodies given, x and y. So for x the force acting on it is 500 newtons, and for y if you find out the same force is acting on the another body. So here also 500 newtons on the body x. Now it gives an acceleration of 200 meters per second square. So x experience acceleration of 200 meters per second square and y experience an acceleration of 40 meters per second square. Now let us find out their masses. We have to find out that if the both x and y are tied together, when they are tied together, what and the force experienced by them is same 500 newtons, then what will be the acceleration? So in order to identify this scenario we should calculate masses in this case. So mass will be F upon A, 500 upon 200, so we get mass as 5 upon 2 kg. And here also if we find out mass, what 500 upon, so this will be 25, so this will be 25 upon 2 kg. Now on combining, the total mass becomes mass of x plus mass of y. So this is 30 upon 2, that is 15 kg, and force they are experiencing, it is given in the question, it is 500 newtons. What will be the acceleration? So acceleration will be F upon m. The value of F is 500 and m is 15. If we try to simplify, 45 33.33 meters per second square is the answer. Yes, that is the correct answer we got.